Great developments in finance are here. AI is changing how we classify expenses. Picture transactions sorted effortlessly, achieving accuracy rates of 99% with tools like Copilot and Claude. Copilot adapts to your previous corrections, simplifying straightforward expenses. Meanwhile, Claude takes a closer look, identifying unusual transactions and assessing complex entries. This innovation reduces categorization time by up to 80%. Finance assistants won't be replaced. They will have the support to concentrate on strategic tasks. It's all about working collaboratively with AI. Eager to elevate your finance skills? Participate in our live workshops and witness AI in action. Book your spot now. Handstart AI, Finance, Revolution, Expense Management, www.evox365.ai workshops.